Hello everyone and welcome to the next episode of Conversation with 2024 Graduates. I am K. Parthiv and I am Tech first year student, and today we have Shiva Jagadesh, who is a final year I am Tech student, and we will be listening to him as he shares his journey at IIIT-B so far. So starting off, Jagadesh, how has been IIIT-B to you for over the last 5 years?
Okay. First of all, thank you for this opportunity. I would say IIIT-Bangalore has been nothing less of a roller coaster ride with ups and downs. I've experienced everything in college that a student is intended to experience, with all ups and downs, with lot of new learnings and lot of new memories. And yeah, I take a lot of things away from here.
That's great. So how easy was it for you to approach any issue which is missing generally in other colleges?
Yeah, so in that manner, I would say IIIT-Bangalore has a great culture. Every higher authority, every official is just one door knock away from you, which I think is missing in other colleges where you will have to go through the long mail process. But here you can approach any higher authority just by knocking their door and asking them for time. With that, many issues have been resolved with immediate action, I would say, in college.
Indeed, the administration is quite supportive here. So Jagdish, you are a part of the sports committee, right?
Right.
So how was your experience as a member, and can you tell us about the sports here at IIIT-B?
So I had worked with the sports committee for 2 years, and I take great pride in saying that I was part of the the inaugural IIIT-B Premier Leagues, which happens twice a year. And with respect to that, I would say every student should experience or start playing sports if you haven't earlier, because you might not get the chance to play sports later in your professional career. So if you haven't played any sports before, come here and play. We have all the opportunities. In college, we have football, basketball, volleyball, and we also have tournaments almost every month. And we also have an inter-college sports fest where many big colleges all across the country come and participate here. So it's a great place for you to expose yourself and discover your hidden talent, I would say.
I agree. Our sports fest, Pandan and Umang are always so much fun. Also, Jagdish, you have been a part of the placement committee.
Right.
So can you tell us your experience as being a part of the placement committee and also your experience with the placement process?
So placements are one of the key factors which students look into before joining a college. And I'd say it takes a lot of responsibility to be part of the placement committee because you define many students' careers and future. It's a great opportunity for me and a great learning experience for me as well. I acted as a bridge between the college management, the companies, and the students. So it has a lot of learnings, I would say. How do you communicate professionally? How do you handle things parallelly with your academics? Yes. And yeah, I would say I'm very happy to be part of many students' dream.
I would like to know how your REs or Ps help you in building your resume.
Sure. So for those of you who don't know, REs are reading electives and Ps are project electives. And I think they are very much important and a very essential part of IIIT-B's curriculum. They give you hands-on experience on projects or research work that's going on. You get to a chance to work with real-time projects, or you get to work on the research projects that professors are taking on, or some contract projects, or anything. The good part about that is that there are no restrictions and there are no boundaries. If you are an ECE student and interested in something related to CS core concept, you can just reach out to a CS professor, and same goes the other way around. And as I said, it's limitless. So it doesn't have to be particularly part of your the coursework that you do. If you find a topic interesting and if you find a relevant professor, you can approach the professor and do that project. So in that way, you can learn what you need, what your interest is in, and then that will obviously help you build your resume and later in your during your placements as well. And that makes us IIIT-B students stand out in front of other students as well.
So it doesn't matter whether you are from EC or CSC, it's all upon your interest.
Correct. So it is irrelevant if you just, all you have to do is just find a professor who works in that domain. There might be some prerequisites that you might have to know beforehand. Apart from that, you don't have any restrictions of what there's no restriction of the curriculum that you have to choose.
That's wonderful. Finally, any advice that you would like to give to the upcoming batch?
Sure. So I would say college has a lot to offer. Come here, explore all your talents, let your hidden talents come out, and make new friends, make new memories. Don't just study. College has much more to offer than just studies. So yeah, that's it.
I hope this interview with Jagadesh helped you let you know more about IIIT-B. So that was all from our side. Thank you.